Oh guys, I gotta do a bit of cleaning now before I can do my next jobs. But in the meantime, we have a TV. So I got myself a small. It's not a 12-volt TV. It's a 240-volt LED TV. It's actually surprisingly low on power. The amp, off the top of my head, no, I can't remember what amps it used, but it's very, very low. The idea is it pivots all the way out. So when we're sitting inside on the seats, you can see up the front there. Now when we'll be sitting on the seats there, you'll be able to comfortably see the TV. So that's the plan, and I hooked up a socket and all here for it. So when you're not using it, it just folds away, tucks away in there quite handy, out of the way. So that's the TV sorted. At the moment now, my next job now is I'm running a gas pipe from here, through here, in through the gap there you can see in the corner. There's a gas pipe will be going there and up through just in front of where the drill is. Also, there will be a water hose coming through here, because on the floor here where that bit of rubbish is there, there's going to be a 20-litre container there, which is going to be my clean water. So that's going to be going in there by a pump, and there'll be a water filler hose coming out to here and be held here, so I can actually connect up a hose to it when I'm on site or wherever I happen to be. That means I don't have to keep dragging it out of the van to fill it. So guys, that's what I'm working on now. Okay, see you later guys, bye bye.